This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin step by step. First, you'll need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. There are many options available, so research to find one that suits your needs. Once selected, you'll complete a quick identity verification process, often requiring a photo ID and proof of address. Finally, fund your account using a linked bank account, debit card, or other supported payment methods. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth buying experience. Now that your account is funded, it's time to place your order. Head over to the Buy or Trade section on your chosen exchange. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC. Decide how much Bitcoin you want to buy, whether it's a specific dollar amount or a fraction of a coin. Review your order details carefully before confirming the purchase. It's a straightforward process once you're familiar with the interface. After purchasing, securing your Bitcoin is paramount. For larger investments, a hardware wallet offers the best protection, keeping your private keys offline. For smaller amounts, a reputable software wallet can be a convenient option. Always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account and any wallets you use. This extra layer of security, like a code from your phone, significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Protect your digital assets diligently. Before we conclude, remember a few important considerations. Bitcoin's price can be quite volatile, meaning its value can change rapidly. It's crucial to only invest an amount you are comfortable losing, as there are inherent risks in any investment. Stay informed about market trends, news, and regulatory changes to make educated decisions. By understanding these aspects, you can approach buying Bitcoin with a more informed and responsible mindset. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.